Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different types of Unilever company merch, Dove roll-on, and body spray. Ito po sila. Body spray, meron tayong Dove, Original Nourishment, Nourish and Smooth, Moisturizing Cream. 0% alcohol, anti-perspirant. 150 ml, Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove, Advanced Formula Ultimate Repair, Dark Remarks Corrector. 48 hours anti-perspirant. 150 ml, Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Advanced Formula Ultimate Dark Marks Corrector. First Lily, 40 grams, Unilever po yan. Meron din tayong promo, and buy for 132 pesos. Dove Ultimate Repair Dark Mark Corrector, 48 hours, anti-perspirant, Fresh Lily. Unilever po yan. Available po yan sa mga most grocery stores, mga in-grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Dove Ultimate Repair Dark Marks Corrector, 48 hours anti-perspirant Soaking Jasmine, 40 ml, Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Ultimate Repair Dark Mark Corrector, 25 ml, Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Original Nourish and Smooth Moisturizing Cream, 48 hours. $40 ml, Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Original Nourish and Smooth Moisturizing Cream, 48 hours, anti-perspirant, Unilever po yan, 25 ml. Next, meron din tayong Dove Sachet. Meron tayong Dove Ultimate Repair Dark Marks Corrector Dio Lotion. $3 ml po siya, Unilever po yan. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano-anong mga ba't bang ori ng Unilever Company merch. Yung Dove, isa lang po yun sa Unilever Company merch. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch videos. Dove roll-on, cream, and sachet. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all always. Thank you for watching. God bless us all always. Thank you.